everybody, it's Neil and it's vacuum cleaning day, and check out what we have here. We have the electric high pressure washer. So I'll show you guys what this is here. It comes with some screws and stuff, some instructions, I guess. Oh, that's the warranty. Instructions. And then here we have the hose, nozzles and stuff. Big place to hang it. Wand. And pressure washer, handle, soap dispenser. Okay, so we got all the stuff. So, yes, this is what it looks like here. I'm sure this will go here to do that. I guess that's what those screws are for, to screw that on. Wire here, and so I guess this hose reel is going to attach somehow on the side of it as well. And I'll set it all up and I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a minute. Okay, so here we are. We got it together. Let me show you all what we've got. We've got the hose one in the back. It's got a place for the extra little nozzles there. We have a little soap dispenser there. The wire is plugged into my extension cord, so there's a lot of extra wire at the moment. And then we have this, which comes out of the reel like that. You can see as I pull it, it comes out. Pretty easy to assemble. Squeeze the button and we're gonna get water at regular pressure. I guess we have to turn the different min and max on. Get different pressures. And where's the on button? Let me find that here. Right there, the big button right there. And now it's on. Okay, so we get the big pressure. Oh, wow. Let me just do that. Oh, that's got some pressure to it. That's sweet. This is great. This is totally going to wash my van, wash everything else. And it's got a long cord here. Let me pull it out. Let's see. So for my van, I can totally get around the front of it. Go around the oh wow. Which nozzle? So the nozzle I have on here says 25. So let me just try. That one does a spray light. Let's see what the other nozzles here are. Take this off, it's kind of in the way. We have that was a 25. This one says 15. There we go. That's probably what I would want to use, is that one. So that's 15. I'll just remember it's that one. What is this one? This one says 40. So this would be a really wide one. This would be a good one to just rinse it off. Yes, it is. And then we have a 0, which is just like a freaking bullet, I guess. And that'd be good for getting bugs off or something like that. How cool is this? This is great. Pretty quiet. And it says max 20 MPa, max 10 liters the minimum, max 60 degrees Celsius. So I guess that's kind of the temperature you can use. It's really nice. I like it. And then to switch out the heads or something like that, if you want to put on that soap one, you just push this out and do that. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up for sure. This is great.